Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum and good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine and in the best condition of health and iman. Grade 4, this is your English lesson, and in this lesson today we will do grammar skills exercise number 2, page number 8 and 9. Dear students, today we will do singular and plural nouns. Singular and plural nouns today we will discuss. Singular versus plural. A singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. A singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. Singular means one thing. For example, one cat, one store, one item. Clear? Or a plural noun names two or more persons, places, things or ideas. A plural noun names two or more persons, places, things or ideas. For example, 2 cats, 4 stores, 15 items. Now, generalizations for forming plural nouns. For most singular nouns, add s. Singular, plural. For example, teacher. If there is a singular noun, for example, teacher, then we add s to make this singular a plural. For example, teachers. Then street, streets. Pencil, pencils. Book, books. Elephant, elephants. We added s with teacher, street, pencil, book and elephant to make them plurals. To make them plural. Clear? Now, next. For nouns ending with s, x, z, sh or ch, add es. For nouns ending with s, x, z, sh or ch, add es. Singular, for example, gas, gas. Then we will add es because it ends on s. Gases, es we added to make it plural. Wax, wax, wax. For making it plural, we added es. Waxes. Then waltz. Z at the end of waltz, we added es to make it plural. Waltzes. Now dish, dishes. Church. Ch is there at the end of the church, we added es. Churches to make it plural. Now some nouns have irregular plural forms. You will have to memorize the spelling for irregular plurals. Singular, plural, child, then plural, children. For example, child, one child or एक बच्चा. Children, more than one. Foot, feet. Tooth, then to make it plural, it will be teeth. Mouse and then mice. Man, men. Woman, women. A few nouns have the same singular and plural forms. Singular and plural forms. A few nouns have the same singular and plural forms. For example, if they are singular, according to the sentence, we have to think that here these nouns are singular or plural used. For example, singular sheep, then plural it will also be sheep. Then Chinese, then it will plural will also be Chinese. Then moose, it will be plural will be moose. Grapefruit, its plural is also grapefruit. Deer, then its plural is also deer. Salmon, then its plural is also salmon. Okay, a few nouns have only plural forms. For example, scissors, jeans, savings, dues. Clear? A few nouns have only plural forms: scissors, jeans, savings, and dues. Now, a few nouns that end with s look plural but are considered singular. For example, measles, news. They look plural but are considered singular. Economics, dues. Now, dear students, open your books and come to page number 8. Singular and plural nouns. Rewrite this poem changing the singular nouns in bold print into the plural form. Make sure the subject and verb as well as the determiners agree with each other. For example, a poem or poem is given over here. A lazy day. Have you ever spent an hour? A lazy day. Have you ever spent an hour gazing at a flower, listening to a bee buzzing round a tree, spying on a tiny ant, struggling up a glossy plant, stroking a sleek dog, watching a green frog? Then come with me, it's fun, you will see. Now, dear students, the poem is given. We have to change the singular nouns which are given in bold print into plural forms. Clear? For example, have you ever spent an hour? The first one is singular an hour, and we have to change it into plural. Then what we have to do? For example, we have to do, having you ever spent hours? Here, spent an hour. Instead of an hour, we have to write, have you ever spent hours? Then, gazing at a flower, we have to write over here, gazing at flowers. Listening to a bee, here we have to write, listening to bees. Buzzing round a tree, buzzing round trees. Spying on a tiny ant, spying on tiny ants. Struggling up a glossy plant, struggling up glossy plants. Stroking a sleek dog, stroking sleek dogs. Watching a green frog, watching green frogs. Then come with me, it's fun, you will see. For example, dear students, R we have to change it into R's. Flower we have to change it into flowers. Bee we have to change it into bees. Then tree we have to change it into trees. Ant we have to change it into ants to make them plural. We are making singular into plural form. We are making them into plural form. Plant, plants. Dog, dogs. Frog, frogs. Clear? Now come to page number 9 of your grammar skill books. First of all, I will tell you, if a word ends with Y, you change it to an I, but only if there's a consonant too. If there's a consonant too, then you have to change it into I. Then add es. Which noun ending in ies in the rhyming does not follow this rule? Now, B part of page number 9. As you can see, read the poem and underline all the plural nouns that end in ies. Then write their singular form above the plural noun. Now, dear students, on page number 8, we change the singular nouns into plurals. Now, here we have to change the plurals into singular. Now, will those white-footed bunnies, here you can see bunnies, eat all of my berries? Eat all of my berries. Now, bunnies, we have to change bunnies into bunny. and berries into berry. Can ladies and babies eat large ripe red cherries? Now, can lady and baby eat large ripe red cherry? How many canaries fly in the blue skies? How many canaries fly in the blue sky? Canaries will be changed into canary and skies will be changed into sky. And when gypsies tell fortunes, do they tell you white lies? Now gypsies will be changed into gypsy and lies will be changed into lie. Now, do puppies like guppies? Do fairies like dairies? Now we have to change puppies into puppy, like guppies change into guppy. Do fairies like dairies? Now fairies will be changed into fairy and this dairies will be changed into dairy. Now then, oh wouldn't you answer my queries? Now queries here means questions. Queries will be changed into query. Clear? Dear students, you have to do page number 8 and 9 of your grammar skill books. This is your today's task. Thank you.